Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have a banner with the different size for Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Here is a preview for JPG file and editable file is PSD for Photoshop user. So first you see here the different size for Facebook and Instagram. So for preview you see here, but this picture is not this package, so we need image from web or anywhere, but I think uploaded. You can download. Here is 25 templates and first drag to Photoshop and simply replace your image here and your title, crafted thinking shop now your URL and 45% off. First I change background, open decals, and for sale. I think these photos are for sale right now. Drag there and close this. Okay, Control S, and you see you can change color, shape color. I change this button color, for example select her dress or her bag color. I think this color is better, so you can edit it very easy and simple. So I drag this file to do Photoshop. We need two images, one here and one here, creative or studio work. Double click and open a girl like this. $1,000. Right click, create clipping mask and then Control S for saving. And you see here, and we need one more image like this. Convert to 1000. Drag there. So your choice, you can adjust. And we change background color. Here is white, unlock layer. Go to gradients overlay. You can apply gradients overlay. Wow, depend your own choice, or you can select simple color like black. So I know your choice is good. And here needed two images, here two, here, and drag this file. You see, and here is stroke, images, gradients overlay, and liner, redial. Liner. I think this color is okay. and fashion collection 45. Here is not about fashion collection, but I will try this photo. Drag there, oh sorry, and this photo in high resolution 1000, and then drag there. No, right click, create clipping mask, and you see amazing. Next photo is here. Anyone like this? Oh sorry, a mistake. Going to 700. No. Okay, and you can change background color, or you can write your own text like this. So I close this file and open any other file. I think this photo is last photo. Sorry, last templates. Like this. Here is very simple. Just replace your image, change Gradient overlay. Open right now for gym, or change any other photo. Right now, fashion designer, resolution going to 8. Gradient overlay, and your choice depends your idea. Okay, cancel, and I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel for more free graph art data. Take care. Allah Hafiz.